Alright, what's going on guys? It's Mossy, aka Sideways Trades, and today we're back with another quick review and recap. Yeah, today's Friday, and let's get into it. Not the best day to end on a Friday note. I got destroyed on a ticker that I had traded today, and that was NET, Net. And yeah, on watch list I had SPY, Tesla, and NET. Now the reason NET was on a watch list, these two names were, I wanted to do an earnings play, day one earnings play for NET for a continuation to the upside. But yeah, I added to my watch list very last minute and honestly made a rookie mistake. Let's go and dive into it. I deserved this loss. And yeah, what my thought process was. So basically, coming off from the day, just really an earnings play. Huge, crushed earnings, huge, you know, overall strong sentiment and gap up in the after the earnings report. Had my levels plotted and ready. Was waiting for a 110 potential bounce here or a 112 hold for upside to 117 and 119 and so forth. Now, uh, what I didn't take into account was when I prior to getting ready to trade this ticker right before the market opened, I had the contract and everything ready. But I looked at the contracts and I know they were IV pumped, like they were really juiced, and I didn't really take that into consideration too much. And this was totally an avoidable loss because the contracts that I picked at the in the morning, like right off the market opened, it was very pumped. So now another mistake was that I was P&L thinking. I wasn't really thinking about the trade. I wasn't thinking about the setup. I was just simply thinking about like, oh, okay, this is really hot. It could fly off, and I could make a couple bucks for the scalp. And yeah, I just wasn't overall thinking, as a trader. So I deserved this loss completely. And yeah, so basically I tried to long here when I saw the level here at 112 right here. Entered one contract at 335. Shitty entry, not the best entry to be honest with you, but I think entered here or either here, right around here on this wick here, and stop loss immediately. As soon as it came down here, I immediately got destroyed on that contract. It was the 125 calls, and yeah, right now they're literally 43 cents. So yeah, I exited at 244. That was $91 down in a day. And yeah, I just gave back basically my SPY gains from this past week, which is really unfortunate. And it's just it's one of those things that's frustrating for me because like me as a trader, I'm only first year into this, but also like I know better to not trade off open, especially for names like this, and just to wait for a couple of seconds to wait for the IV to cool down, and especially the move that it made, I didn't really take into consideration. I mean, this thing just closed in here and opened. I mean, that's 24%. Like come on now. I don't know what I was expecting to be honest with you. Um, I just really didn't think about this one straight away. I wasn't really fully prepared and fully analyzed everything, so completely deserved loss. And yeah, just P&L thought. Another one was just simply I was thinking about the how much money I could make in this trade, and that's usually not how you want to approach trades. You just want to approach trading from the trading aspect. So yeah, totally deserved loss. Let's go ahead and get to the next trade. Now this one, after I straight up lost on that one, I was immediately angry, and not angry. I guess I was kind of frustrated and kind of a little bit on tilt. And I was like, you know what? Tesla's going up. This was what I had on watch. The reason why Tesla on watch was because of these double doji or pin bars, you want to call them, and it looked good to the upside, as you guys can see. Wow, that's a lot. And ignore the indicators, but as you guys can see, we got a wick here, kind of a doji-ish, leaning towards more the bullish side. And yeah, my goal was basically to take it long above, see if we can get a 190 bounce or a 192. That's basically what basically happened. And yeah, I mean, I was trading NET at the time and I got clapped. So once I saw this, I was like, oh man, I just missed a beautiful trade here. And entered here right off this break of 192, pulled back. I was like, you know what? I'm really not gonna, don't want to really give any gains back or anything like that. Saw this wick here and I just exited at 185, 16 bucks down on the day. Total bringing me to about 107 down on this account. So 21% on the small port. I'm still waiting for Interactive Brokers to fix my I'll reopen my account. It's annoying. They're asking for extra things and stuff, and it's very annoying. But hopefully that gets fixed by next week. But yeah, as you guys can see, Tesla did go to 194. And honestly, these contracts that I played was the 200 calls. They didn't really move that much. Like when it was here, it only moved like 20 bucks. I mean, what is that? As a small account, if I'm scalping something like a Tesla name, which is something that I'm not even supposed to be trading, but if it's really looking good, I at least want the premiums to go really fast. Like jump from $2 to like $50 instantly or $30 at least, to make it worth that momentum, that risk. and to scalp it quickly. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. SPY making a new all-time high, reached 500, which is crazy. Uh, yeah, I certainly didn't think that we were gonna reach 500 all the way from November. That's not what my expectation was, and yeah, it's very very interesting. Um, yeah, hopefully you guys had a good week. Hopefully everyone traded smart and ended the week strong, unlike me. And yeah, thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.